not numbers. You are children of God. You have been created for a purpose, for greater things, to love and to be loved. And if you seek God, immediately you begin to love one another. That's all Jesus came on this earth to give us, that good news. Love as I have loved you. Love one another as I have loved you. How wonderful it is to think that we all have been created for that purpose. And the fruit of faith is always love. And the fruit of love is action. We must put our love for Jesus in a living action.